So, welcome back again to another video. Well, I'm gonna show you the best cars for grinding in car dealership that will regularly can get this the Agile Foxy Ed, the top speed of 302. That's this. That's not the best car for grinding, but it's this thing in the shop. 309 miles per hour with a price tag of $10 million. Wait, what dollars? IGC, I mean. Uh, this is the best car, as you can see. 300 miles Okay, see this thing. What the? And it's not still even the best car for driving. And maybe you can buy Maybe you can buy this thing as the seat using this kind of house. Yeah, well, this off-brand Rimac thing, bro. And this absolute this bro. What the hell you did, Foxy, to this bro? What did you did to the and 230 miles per hour at 24 until it goes down. I think the the more the price goes higher, the higher the top speed goes. There's a better grinding car than MEC can come up. And it's this Spotlight. It's a Spotler Hybrid Evo. Uh, um, oh, my game is so scuffed, bro. Um, is this fuck? How am I gonna play with this map, bro? How am I going to play with this map? Oh my god, bro. I'ma hop into my private server real quick. So yeah, it's the Porsche 919 Hybrid Evo. And another one is... Bro, my Roblox, it ain't Robloxing, bro. Okay, I'm just going to tell the horse. Wait. What of my friends are playing only, bro? Nah. Low visits 6K. Oh my god, bro. Bro, get out, bro. I wanna play on my custom server. Yeah. Uh, 7:26 p.m. Another one is the Bolide. The Bolide, bro, has a top speed of 316 miles per hour. As you know, the Valkyrie Pro is better than the Bolide because earning money. Next one is the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute with the top speed of 326 miles per hour max. And the, what the is this? Yes, never mind. Just go. And it's this thing, Jesko Absolute. And I don't know why is the Valkyrie Pro better than this because oh, so the earning money. Okay, Jesko Absolute is still the best I think. Okay, what the? Wait. What the absolute is this, bro? What the absolute hell is this? Okay, yeah, to be honest, I'm gonna buy that. This Dodge, bro. What the hell even is this? Let's get that. Hyperlux SS, yeah, Hyperdew is better than that. And lastly, the best grinding car, Red Bull Cross Ox Oak Rose 7. What the hell are these names, bro? Do y'all think Red Bulls should be added in car dealership tycoon or maybe other brands? Oh! Bro, my internet is so scuffed. Anyways, that's all. Bye-bye.